How to name your restaurant business? We decided to name our restaurant business Indian Food Box. We did a simple technique, that is KISS. Keep it super simple. Whenever you're naming your business, make sure everyone can understand. Our logo and our name had a lot of advantages and disadvantages at the same time. First, I will start with the disadvantages. People, whenever they see our name and logo, especially with our name first, they think there is no creativity behind. People think, Indian food box, they could have done much better, but I will explain you in the advantage section why we decided to do it. Now, the second flake we get for our logo design. Sometimes people compare it to a battery. It looks like a battery, but it's a tricolor. We Now let me go to the advantages. In Iceland, and we have a lot of foreigners coming from abroad, it's very easy for them to search Indian food box on Google or internet. You don't need any special alphabet, Icelandic alphabet, because here in Iceland a lot of restaurants are named in Icelandic languages, and Indian people or foreigner people, whenever they are coming from abroad, they find it impossible to write in their phone while searching the name. Also, the biggest advantage what we get with a name, everyone can understand what we are cooking and making at the same time. Example, it's Indian food box. It means we are going to cook Indian food and it will be given in a box. So our restaurant is pick up and take away. It's really good for the people who are coming for the food pickup, and they can take it in the box and go. And last but not the least, our biggest plan. Our biggest plan for the future is we want to bring Indian food box after the COVID is done, and people can eat food from the boxes. What it will do, it will help us to create brand, and at the same time we are going to target less wastage. What do you call, we don't want to waste money of people and our money on the boxes that we are using at the moment. We are creating a lot of garbage, and it will help us to kill two birds with the same stone. Guys, thanks a lot for watching our video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please comment in the comment box. Thank you guys.